I'm Jonathan Hohen. I've been doing business with All American and Steve for over 20 years. My 21-year-old daughter was in a stroller the first time I brought a truck to Steve. I bet we've had 20 different vehicles serviced. Everything from a Ford Taurus to GMC Yukons to a bunch of Jeeps to Range Rover to Audis. I mean, it's just been a pretty large parade of vehicles that have been in and out of Steve's shops. I was on E470 headed to the airport. It must have been 8 o'clock in the morning, and all of a sudden the thing just died, went to the side of the road. I was headed to Austin, Texas, and I had to get my plane. And I immediately called Steve. He sent out a tow truck, jerked the thing into his shop, and I was in a rental car and at the airport on time, no problem. This is the only place I've taken any of my cars and trucks for the last 20 years. And the reason is because it has been pretty obvious that not only is the quality of service excellent here, the craftsmanship is fantastic, but the price is more than fair. If you compare and shop what Parker 4x4 does or All American does in a price range compared to a regular Jeep dealer or even the GMC dealer, as far as their service bay is concerned, you'll find the pricing here is significantly better.